In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send big files via Dropbox. If you need to deliver a large final file to someone and want a simple, reliable way to do it, Dropbox Transfer is made for that. It's designed for final deliveries, which means you're sending a finished file rather than a document you expect to keep updating. The process is quick, the recipient doesn't need a Dropbox account to download, and you get a clean link you can share anywhere. Start by opening your web browser and heading to dropbox.com/transfer. This is the dedicated page for creating a transfer. You'll see a straightforward interface that focuses on one thing: getting your file uploaded and ready to send. Next, add your file. The easiest way is to drag and drop it right onto the page. For the free option, you can upload files up to 2 gigabytes. If your file is close to that limit, make sure it's finalized and named clearly so your recipient knows exactly what they're getting. Keep your browser open while it uploads. Upload time will depend on your internet speed and the size of the file, so give it a moment and let the progress bar finish. If you're on Wi-Fi, staying near your router can help maintain a steady connection. Once your file is uploaded, choose how you want to share it. You have two options: send it directly to an email address or copy a link that you can paste wherever you need. If you already know exactly who needs the file, sending directly to their email keeps everything in one place and ensures they receive a notification. If you want to post the file in a group chat, a project workspace, or send it to multiple people, copying the link is the flexible choice. Either way, the recipient will get a simple download link to grab the file. Before you send or copy the link, double-check that you've selected the correct file and that the upload is complete. If you're emailing the transfer, enter the recipient's address carefully to avoid bouncebacks. If you're copying the link, paste it into your message and add a quick note so your recipient knows what it is and why you're sending it. That's it. Go to dropbox.com/transfer, upload your large file up to 2 gigabytes, and either send it directly to an email or copy the link to share anywhere. It's a clean, dependable way to deliver big, final files without clogging inboxes or running into attachment limits.